decided to renovate my basement just to have a usable space for entertaining and for, as you can see, making some noise as well. And that was really it. So this was a blank canvas to start off, and wanted to turn it into something that was going to be very, very comfortable and usable. I chose RenoDuck for this project because of their reputation for the combination of quality and speed. So of course, your house is upside down during any sort of renovation, and I knew that RenoDuck would be able to get it done more quickly than essentially anybody else that I had approached. Well, I mean, I think that the pictures in the video you can see here kind of speak for themselves. I'm thrilled with the final product, and you know, a comment that my friend made was, he said, "Your basement looks better than the main floor of most people's houses." I would say that if you want quality, speed, and a hassle-free experience, I would strongly consider RenoDuck for your basement. Yeah, I mean, of course you have fears when your house is going to be ripped upside down or ripped apart and turned upside down. And of course, you have fears about, are these people going to be able to meet their commitments to you as well? You're paying a lot of money for it, so you want to make sure that you ultimately get what you pay for. Yeah, absolutely, of course. I mean, certainly I wouldn't be doing this video if I didn't. You've seen the pictures in the video, so of course you know what the final product looks like. Like I say, I'm very pleased with it. The project was finished on time, on schedule, on budget. There were no surprises. Everything was discussed up front. So certainly, I would absolutely recommend RenoDuck to anybody considering renovating their basement. There was a defined project plan from day one, right? So we had certain milestones to hit, and successfully hit all of them, by the way, which is very important. And I think that just having the assistance and the constant contact between Darius, Alex, the rest of the team, obviously helps to alleviate any concerns or fears that you might have.